Hey everybody, it's Brooke. How you doing? I was really guided to get on here and do a reading for the twinsies. Another funny, ironic thing, right? Retrogrades are great to reflect back. I woke up one morning, 2013, and woke up and decided I'm going to get my twins' footprints tattooed to the bottom or to the tops of my feet. Because you know that saying, right now they're stepping all over your toes. One day they'll walk all over your heart. So I went and I got, it's 1:11 on my clock, I went and got both of their footprints on the top of my feet. One of the most painful experiences that I've ever been through. But I wanted them to be with me, and it was important for them to be with me every step that I take, every step. And I want to have their handwriting when they first started writing their names with the footprints. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because, you know, a friend of mine, she says to me, Brooke, they're with you every step you take. You carry them with you. And it's very symbolic. Everything has meaning. Everything has purpose. And with Gemini being the house ruler, Pisces, or the 12th house, which is ruled by Pisces, like, and my North Node is in there. The house ruler is Gemini, but it's in Cancer. Like, my North Node's really in Cancer, but it's in Gemini's house. So in following the heart and every step that I take, the twins are always with me. And speaking about the twins, and the twins is about the duality of the masculine and the feminine energy. It is about the duality of the good and the dark. It is about the duality of life. You know, which side of the coin are you seeing? And really being able to balance that, and to balance, you know, because my kids are Libras. Libra is all about balancing. So being able to release the fear of the dark, being able to release the fear of what direction you're going in. You know, I'm getting ready to put my house on the market. I'm getting ready to move, and I'm terrified. What is it that I'm afraid of? It's change. But if we're not changing and letting go of that fear of change, how are we going to get to the next step? How are we going to meet with the people that's destined? Okay, this is destiny. Because we're, you know, here I am talking about the twins, and I get ant spirit. there's puzzle pieces between the two, and they're working together to put the pieces of the puzzle together. You know, there's going to be a lot of changes with Mercury. Because, you know, Mercury, is the ruler of Gemini. So, there's going to be a lot of changes. There's going to be a lot of destined people brought in to support the next part of the mission. There's going to be unions happening, and not all twins are meant to be in union together. Not all twins are meant to work together, but there's a big picture of the work that goes hand in hand, right? And then I get Bobcat Spirit. Life is a mystery. So really surrendering to that divine guidance, surrendering to the unknown, letting go of fear of the unknown, letting go of always being able to figure it out. Don't you want to be surprised? There's a lot of green here, and where there's not green, it's holding the heart. So really tapping into that higher heart chakra. Tapping into what it feels like. That's how you piece the puzzle together. What does it feel like? And this bobcat's looking right at me. What does it look like? We have the Gemini new moon coming up. Gemini is about the twins. What does it feel like? Let's see what the Starseed cards tell me. What's going on? Being able to balance what you see and what you feel. That's part of the puzzle, is being able to balance those two. Okay, give me one more. Letting go of past heartaches. So we have a full moon that's going to be coming up right before Mercury goes retrograde. So really let go of past heartaches, letting go of the past, literally, whether it's this past or past lives that are holding you back. Those are things that are heavy, that's weighing you down. So I get lost lands, soul memories, and gifts. You've done this before. Because it is coming up from the past, something that you need to let go of. That south node, okay, letting go of that south node. And knowing and trusting that the tools are here. You've got it. So as you let go, that's when, because I'm seeing a lot of water, so that's when the flood of information comes in. That's when the flood of memories comes in. That's when the flood of gifts come in. So time to collaborate, I get with the two ants and the puzzle pieces, and then I get a new earth. It's happening. Keep holding the vision. Keep holding it. Keep holding the light. Keep grounding the light. Okay? Keep just watching and holding and keeping that vibration exactly where you need to keep it. With no matter what's happening, with no matter what's going on, with everything that you're seeing, keep holding the light. And then right under, but life is a mystery, I get all paths lead to home. Inner authority, intuition, trust your gaze within. Now this is hitting pretty close to home for me. And look, she's dancing. In the protected circle. She's dancing with victory and conviction. Embracing the mystery, embracing the unknown is what 1123 is what sets everything into motion. Really just accepting that and embracing that and going, okay, this is my guidance. This is where I'm supposed to be going. And this is what I'm supposed to be doing. And just allowing for that message to be okay for right now. Because as you get closer, as time moves, as things shift, more information will be coming in. But you've got to let go of controlling how it happens and embracing not knowing. Embracing each 1223, embracing each piece as it falls into place. There is a ship in the sky that's about to come through these towers. They're about to come through. It almost looks like a portal. It's right here. Some of you may be walking through a portal and stepping out on the other side. Give me one more. I've said this all day long. Gotta love when this happens. Okay, filling the world. This is a 13 card, which breaks down to a 14. And then what's funny is this is a 31 card right above it, okay? And it breaks down to a 4. So some of you may need to let go of filling the entire world. I know for me, that's a big one because I feel the collective so intensely. 1444, I feel energetically what's happening. So really being able to let that go. but also tapping into the energy of the world that's being born, because she's holding that like it's being offered. Because we have a new earth is being born. So what is the feeling of that new earth that is happening, right? There's a bird that just flew by, because my next card is Birds of a Feather. This is a 25 card, which breaks down to a 7. 7 is definitely a very spiritual number for me. 77 is my number. 34, 77 is my number for twin flames, okay? So, birds of a feather flock together. Allow for that feeling of what home, brothers and sisters, feels like. Because that's the key. That's the key of unlocking that door. That's the key to unlocking the stars, because the card says open to discovery, but look at the key at the bottom, okay? And you have the stars at the top, and that key of unlocking that divine union, because that is, you know, ultimately divine masculine, divine feminine energy. So that key is finding your tribe. That key is finding your soul family. That key is finding the like-minded people and trusting, because you know what it feels like. You know what it feels like, because you have that feeling right here, okay? Being able to trust it and know, with everything else going on, that everything is always working out for me. Let go of how you think it should look. Let go of what you see in your mind of how it should look, and just allow for God to surprise you. Just allow for those things to come in, for, you know, divine connections. Divine connections could be friends, it could be acquaintances, it could be a significant partner. Like, when you allow for divine connections to happen, that's how the networks build. That's how, because Aquarius is all about connecting, bringing those people together. Pisces is all about following your intuition and allowing God to walk you through that door. Allow God to guide you, because you've been guided along the way. Nothing is coincidence. Everything has meaning. So we have birds, ants, bobcats. Oh, bless me. Shoo. Maybe again. Allergies. I love this tummy, but it hates me. Ants, bobcats, groundhogs, and birds. So really tap into those animals. Tap into those spirit animals. For me, my symbol for twin flames divine union is cardinals. doves. So really tapping into those perspectives, because bird's eye view, you can see the big picture, and just allow things to unfold naturally the way it's meant to. Okay? This was a long one. I love you guys. Do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, sure. And yeah, might have to start doing more of these again. The train goes off. I hear you. All right, love you guys. Bye.